If you haven't already noticed, XRP crossed over that $3 threshold. So the question is, what's next from here, and how can you benefit from what's next from here? And at the end, I'm gonna give you somebody that you need to tap into so you can get a thorough understanding of XRP a little bit deeper than the surface level that most people talk about. That being said, after 3 years, or after years of anticipation, XRP price has finally crossed the $3 mark amid a massive upsurge that began last week. XRP has been nothing short of extraordinary over the past 3 months. Its uptrend began on the back of Donald Trump election victory last November, allowing it to soar 480% from a low of 50 cents to a 7-year peak of $2.90 December the 3rd in 2024. And this article comes from the Crypto Basic, in case you want to get access to it for yourself. So XRP price finally reclaimed the $3. Despite the bullish push, XRP faced resistance at the psychological relevant $3 price mark after conquering $1 and $2 in one fell sweep. And if you were paying attention, it bust through that and stayed above 2. This roadblock led to a pullback and subsequent consolidation. However, after 6 weeks of range-bound price action, XRP has now finally captured $3. This marked the first time the crypto asset breached the $3 mark since it's relinquished it during the correction in the early 2018. For context, XRP price witnessed an impressive rally from March 2017 to January 2018, reaching an all-time high of $3.31. How soon do you think it'll be before it crosses that all-time high? Type that in the chat. Type that in the comments. How soon do you think it'll be before it actually crosses that all-time high, especially with it passing over $3? I had my thought process on thinking it'll do it this month. You tell me what you think, and we'll see if you're close, right, or not. All right, before facing a massive correction to drop below $3. Now, since then, the asset has failed to reclaim the $3 territory despite occasional pumps in 2021. The recent feat has triggered excitement within the XRP community, with prominent Fox business reporter Eleanor and calling attention to it on an X post minutes ago. So this was posted, minutes ago, and basically discussed XRP crossing over that $3 threshold. Now, what's next from here? Data from a daily chart indicates, and remember, I said I'm going to give you somebody that I want you to tap into so you can understand the long-term value point or proposition that could come from XRP beyond just the surface level, beyond just these price predictions, beyond people just saying, hey, it's going to the moon or it's going to $10,000, yada, yada. The depths of it that can give you the confidence to know, okay, maybe this is something I want to interact with more and get a thorough understanding of based on its capabilities, etc., etc., etc. What's next from here? Data from a daily chart indicates that this achievement comes on the back of an impressive 11.4% increase recorded by XRP today. The altcoin is currently building on a bullish momentum that began over the weekend, which saw an initial 10% price surge on Saturday, January 11th. Despite the 2.81% pullback on Sunday, XRP price began the new week with renewed strength and is now looking to seal a third consecutive day of intraday gains. Today, the asset soared to a new 7-year top of $3.02 on Bitstamp following the U.S. CPI data release before witnessing resistance that has triggered a mild pullback. XRP currently changes hands at $2.97, up 15% over the past 24 hours. This makes it the highest 24-hour gainer among the top 10 assets and the 5th highest gainer among the top 100. The bulls are now looking to engineer another push to conquer the $3 mark, but commodity channel index reading at 236 suggests the market might be overextended. What do you think? So at this point, XRP price might face a more substantial pullback to the 250 support is what they're thinking. But keep in mind, it's a lot of things on the horizon, like the Gary Gensler situation, him stepping down, the inauguration, things of that nature that could cause some things to shift as well. Below this, the next support lies $2.48 price level, which aligns with the FIB, 78.6% extension. Above, XRP could aim for $3.70 if the bulls conquer the $3 and establish it as a support over the next few days. So these are some things to think about, but think about what's on the forefront. Like I said, the inauguration, Gary Gensler stepping down, and if those things take place, what it could do to XRP potentially. But beyond that, look into the power of XRP. And like I said, I told you I was going to give you somebody to look into. Look into the brother named Quincy Jones. Quincy Jones XRP. You can just type that in. A lot of people have used his videos. A lot of people have used this commentary and used samples. You can also see some full videos that he's done. Disregard the video quality because some of them might have not so good quality or recording or audio. Listen to the brother break down certain perspectives, and then you dive in deeper or look into what he's talking about to justify, you know, if it makes sense to you. Some of the things may be over your head, but understand the depth of what he understands about XRP in general, being that he's a programmer working with, you know, other blockchain type initiatives as well. So look into Quincy Jones XRP, and then just go down that path to see if it gives you any other conviction about XRP that you may or may not already have. And I think it'll do you some justice. So XRP crossed over the $3 mark. You let me know what you think it's going to do, or how soon it's going to cross the all-time high. Will it be soon? Will it be later? But sooner or later it will. Salute.